So I got the covert instruments echelon set in the mail Friday, or yesterday, Saturday. I wanted to talk about it for a few minutes. I am in no way associated with Covert Instruments. No sponsorship, no nothing. You know, it's just I just happen to like their stuff. But ooh, I just knocked that over. All right, give me 1 second here. But this, obviously, I've put a couple of my favorite Petersons and things in there. But you get the tension tool for cylinder locks. You get the poker. Several wave breaks and 20 thousandths, a long hook, a short hook, and an easy reach. They send a few top of the keyway tension tools and a dimple rake. The case is, obviously it's the trifold. I use this as my wallet, so but I just wanted to go over like a couple of things in it. Now the dimple rake, what I've found so far is good for padlocks. Personally, I haven't found a set of dimple rakes that's like good for like the cylinder keyways for doors, but the one that you get with the Covert Instruments kit is, of course, now going to give me a problem because I'm trying to put it on camera, but it's actually one of my favorite dimple rakes that I have now. Like I said, it doesn't really open the door locks that well, but of all the problems you could have, I guess that's not a huge one. Get this in here. It would help if I was even on them, huh? Oh wait, no, it's locked. Just give me 1 second. I'm at a weird angle. No, I don't really like this fucking lock anyway. There we go. These Boviskis, these are the Boviski lockout tagouts. They have they have pins on the top, pins on the bottom, and then a couple of pins on the side. And you gotta get all three sides set. There we go. See? Figure out what's wrong with it in a second. Oh, I just did something wrong. Whatever. No, I didn't. That should be. Oh. Yeah. So I'll do one more. So having the rakes and 20 thousandths is kind of nice as well, because sometimes the thicker rakes just kind of get caught on what little bit of wording these things actually do have on them. Now The only thing I worry about is they're a little thin. I don't know why. I don't know why every time I turn the camera on and I try to do this, it gives me a problem. I literally opened this thing like 5 times with the rake just to make sure that when I did it on camera it would be smooth. But of course, it's not. So I'll go through these couple more and then call it. I'm probably the only person in existence that ever made a master look hard to rake. There you go. So on top of the, on top of the rakes and things in 20,000s, you get some of the ergo turners, which are nice. Me being left-handed, they don't really help me much unless I decide to pick something with my right hand. And then they also give you a set of the 20,000s hooks, short, medium, and an easy reach. These, they come with the engraved with their size and the Covert Instruments logo. These ergos are good for the top of the keyway, and this 20,000, and I think it's spring steel, but which is good for these tighter keyways. I mean, they really get in there. They get in there nice. And they give you good feedback, whether you're using your offhand or your strong hand. Like right now, there we go. See, like I just used my offhand to do that, but all in all, I gotta say, I definitely recommend the Covert Instruments Echelon kit if you're looking for something